What's going on, campers? Mike Sampson of Strawhead Adventures, if you do not know, and I'm back with another travel trailer walk around. And today we're going to be talking about the 2026 Keystone Sprout 13 RKS. And I'm super excited about this one. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers. Like I said, we're going to be outside the 2026 Keystone Sprout 13 RKS. Now, one of the key things to point out here is we're going to be on 15-inch rims with some off-road tires. You can see great ground clearance there. We're going to have 4 stabilization jacks in each a stabilization jack in each corner. We do have the frameless window system, nice awning, almost full length on this guy. Rooftop solar, rooftop AC. A nice pass-through storage, and you'll have quick disconnect for your solar, Bluetooth smart shunt, it looks like there, by Vitron, a light, and you also have a dimmer for your accent lights on the outside corners. And as you can see here, you're going to have a nice aluminum framework going on this. I'll make it nice and lightweight but sturdy. We are also going to have a composite flooring, so you don't have to worry about any water damage on the floor. We're going to have 2 20-pound propane tanks on the front side, a power tongue jack, a 2 5/16 coupler, nice storage for your 7-round pigtail and safety chains, nice battery disconnect, and then also a hookup for extra solar. Here will be your hookup for all your water. So you got city water connection, fresh fill, winterized and dewinterized, flushing your tanks, things like that. And then also a hookup for an outside shower sprayer. That's your on-demand. Ballpoint drains, sewer and gray tank. Get a nice close-up of that tire. Got a coax hookup and 30 amp hookup. And then for your black tanks, you also do have storage in your bumper back there. And as we walk back around, because of the snow in New York, which is melting, but still here, you're going to see that we have a full-size spare, and that's that accent lighting I was talking about. It's flickering in the video, but it's a solid color. Went out camping. Some of the key facts to know about this guy here is going to be $29.50 unloaded, a dry hitch of $345, combined cargo capacity of $12.50. Its actual length will be 17.4 from bumper to hitch, 7 foot wide, and a height of 10.5. Our fresh tank will be 37, gray 27, and black 27. This will sleep 3, and you'll see this as we walk inside. So going inside, you're going to see a nice tempered glass door, screen door on the inside, some nice steps as we head in, and you're immediately going to see your Jiffy sofa that'll sleep someone on that, and then a full-size bed. Nice under the bed cabinet for your shoes. And then it also does have a foot locker running the length of the bed, and as you can see there, the pillow wants to go in there, so that's where we'll leave it. Above your bed, you're going to have some storage there, window on each side, making this nice and bright. Overhead cabinets above the Jiffy Knife sofa. Right here will be your main controls, and this is that dimmer switch to dim the lights in the ceiling. You'll have a nice elbow kitchen with a sink cover, nice size sink, residential sprayer, plenty of counter space, a nice 2-burner stove. Right above that, you'll also have your fan and light, and then also a microwave. You got a nice little cabinet in here with a power hookup. Looks to fit probably an air fryer, which if you've never used one of those, oh boy, you're missing out. You also do have your 12-volt smart TV. Nice size refrigerator and freezer. With storage on the door in the refrigerator. You do have a nice little nook down here for other things as well too. They definitely put ample amount of storage in this camper. For being this compact, you definitely have that storage because you get some underneath that sofa as well too. Headed into the bathroom. It's going to be a dry bath. You'll have a vanity, cell phone or soap holder, toothbrushes, GFCI outlets. There's your control for your hot water. And then a nice shower with the sunroof. Take a nice look around again. If this is something that interests you, my name is Mike Sampson of Strawhead Adventures. You can email me directly at mike@cortlandrv.com, and I'll answer any questions you might have on this model or any other of the models that I talk about. We do currently have these in stock and a couple more on the way. We do have this in the white, but can get it in that black titanium as well. You know, if it just fits your needs, it fits your needs. Or if you want something specific, there's things that I can make happen. So until next time, this was another Travel Walk Around, and I'll see you in the next one.